Welcome to another Strata on the Road vlog. Come with us. Explain, Raul, what happened.
Well, if the step broke, I don't think I'm that fat to break a step, but it was once I stepped on to get into Lindinha that happened. Broke here. Now I'm going to take it off. I'm already ready to work. I'm going to take it out and prepare it, because there are a lot of rivets from the previous repair, which have to be removed by drilling, and the crack goes all this way here.
But let me explain that it had already broken before.
Yes, it had been broken before, and it had been fixed, but not as it should have been. Then I will remove it, take it to the table, put fiberglass on the back side and some screws, and then return the piece here to add at your place. This piece is originally made of fiberglass, but it is not resistant because it is very thin, and people climb on it with all their weight.
We think that the previous owner, to fix the broken step, put 2 small pieces of iron on the back and 4 screws.
It lasted for a while, but now it's broken again, and I think it's cracked even more. Now it will be strong. It won't break again. I don't want to ruin the paint, because I don't have that paint to touch up. What I want is to put a rubber on that side to protect it, and that way I keep the same paint.
Raul is tall, he can enter in Lindinha without stepping on the broken step, directly on the black step. I can't do it, I'm short. It's easy to work there, right?
No, and no.
We'll come back when Raul goes to fix the step outside Lindinha. Ah, Lindinha is our motorhome.
Broken Lindinha step. Let's tidy up.
Raul is always skilled, and here he had help from his cousin Carlos too. In fact, Carlos was the key to ensuring the job was well finished. After all, he is an expert in fiberglass. Hi guys.
Hi Straderos, how are you?
I have the sun on my face.
Yes, the sun is strong.
We're here to show you how Lindinha's step repair turned out. Come with us.
It's not 100% finished, and we're going to do it now. Look here. Here's the step. It raises. After all, this is where we connect Lindinha's sewage at the campsites. Do you want me to show you with a flashlight?
No need, there's enough light.
This is the outlet of the black box, which is from the toilet, and the gray one, which is the water from the sink and shower, which you open and a hose comes out, and they are controlled by these 2 little levers. I'm even going to replace one of them, which broke, and I'm going to change now. Normally, you pull the black one first, and then the gray one, because this way you can wash the inside of the hose. After all, it is the same hose for both boxes. Now let's show the step, how it was fixed.
I already showed you this when you were fixing it. You fix it with fiberglass.
And angled metal sheets.
Don't close it, open it. And here screws were placed, and it was a difficult task. And so painted white because Raul put nail polish on it to be a brake.
Yes. Originally, there were piano hinges, which were held in place by rivets. But it was impossible for me to place the rivets, and so I added screws. Screws with nuts, it was good, firm and strong. You can step on it, and it won't be a problem.
And on the fiberglass, there was a very thin rubber. Show it here. Look how it looked like a sheet of paper. And the other day, Raul found a piece of tire on the street.
And it's the exact size I needed. I just cut the edges to make it symmetrical.
And now he's going to stick it to the step.
Yep. I'm going to paste this here to protect it.
In fact, it's just protection because where you're going to step is on the tire.
This protection because I also don't have the paint to repair what was damaged.
This is a spray glue and it's very strong, right?
Yes. In the middle and at the ends, I will still put contact cement.
Which in Brazil we know as shoemaker's glue.
Yes. It has the same consistency, same smell, but has a small brush, but this one is a bit dry.
They are sold in small cans here. I don't remember how they are sold in Brazil, but they are not like that. Here it comes with a little brush. I don't think they have this little brush in Brazil. Give me the can to show. This is cement glue or shoemaker's glue. So we finish Lindinha step here. We even traveled without this step in place. It was difficult for Raul to get up and down. Lucky for him, he's tall. Imagine for me, I'm short. It would be impossible. He climbed up, stepping where the spray is now.
Ready. It's already glued.
Very good, congratulations, good job. Then the step is finished.
Could you bring me the parrot beak plier? Do you know which one it is? To replace the lever.
Yes, I know. Hoping this is it. It looks like a parrot's beak, doesn't it? Is this one here?
Perfect. Now I'm going to fix this.
I can't show it to you. I'll show it neatly.
New lever, bought on Amazon. And it's already in place. Can you see?
Yes, it's the one with the bee, right?
Yes, B of black.
Very good, another part finished. Good job.